Barberton, this small town in Mpumalanga, has a huge drug problem, and the CPF admits it is hard to fight the scourge. The forum says they have arrested many drug dealers, but their cases hardly ever go to court. They have accused the National Prosecuting Authority of failing to enroll these cases.
Every month we have a operation with the subs members and security companies. When we arrest some people that are selling drugs, they told us they are not enrolling that cases because we don't have evidence to say it's a drugs or it's assault or whatsoever. So we are not happy about that because many cases they are failing us there at the NPA.
However, in its defense, the NPA has denied failure to prosecute drug cases. It states that it needs sufficient evidence to prosecute.
In some of the drugs-related cases, we first have to send the alleged drugs to forensic science laboratory to analyze them, or alternatively, a narcotics dog has to indicate that it is indeed drugs. The National Prosecuting Authority gave further instructions to the police to investigate further.
The South African National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence, SANCA, says it is hard to identify drugs with the naked eye. However, it is also concerned with the rising drug problem in Barberton and Mbombela. It has urged parents to seek treatment for their children.
The police are the people that can actually easily identify if this is crystal, but if it's brought to us by a parent, we can easily say this is, crystal meth, or this is tek, or this is nyaupe, or if this is ntango and all that. And then in the other instances, in terms of, date rape drugs, those are very difficult for us to identify. We do have drug tests that we are able to use and assist for people to come to us and do drug testing as well. And in terms of drug exposure to young kids in Nelspruit and Mpumalanga, it's very high.
Meanwhile, the CPF members have urged the government to prioritize the fight against drug abuse. Tumala Machoho, SABC News, Barberton.